Risking 182. I'm gonna go for this. What's good, man? What's good? Alright, guys. Let's take a looky at what we got here. First off, as you can see, I'm back on MNQ and MES. I'm not trading this mini ass shit. I'm not trading this shit no more, man. Alright. I was risking way too goddamn much. Lost about $350. I'm not going for that shit no more, man. I'm not going for it. Now, I'm gonna just let y'all know already we gotta be careful today. One, Powell is speaking today. Now, Powell don't really usually affect the markets in my opinion. From what I be seeing, he don't really affect it too much, but he's still talking today. So, today, personally, what I think is gonna happen, I think we about to see a retracement back to the upside a little bit. So on ES, you can see we're back at OTE. Boom. This one's a little further down, but we could take it from this range right here, and we're in that bitch. Now, we also got to be careful about taking longs because, yes, we did take out this low. We are in a 4-hour fair value gap right here. If we look at consequent encroachment, if my computer would stop being so slow, we're respecting the hell out of it. See what I'm saying? And if we take standard deviation of this, well, I don't know what the hell is gonna happen when I do this. It might be far as hell. Oh yeah, it's down here. Actually, that's perfect. So this actually shows us we're probably gonna go down here on a higher time frame. Cause I don't even think this would count as a manipulation move because it's really just a retracement back into this 4-hour fair value gap. Man, yesterday was crazy. We sold off like a motherfucker. I think this damn near like, let's see, 500 points. God damn. 500. That's fucking crazy, bro. We came down, we did sweep these lows, but I'm sorry, we didn't sweep them. We took out the lows, but we closed with this placement. We created this huge fair value gap. Now, what I honestly think is, I think we retrace back into this area. I think we're gonna have a retracement today. That's what I think. We could sweep this high and then just continue lower. So, I mean, I really think we're gonna retrace into equilibrium back in this area, especially because of this higher time frame 4-hour fair value gap that we're respecting at the moment. But if I do take something today, it's likely to be a small scalp. There is an SMT right here as well. All right, let's see, where is equilibrium? Down here. Sweep out these lows. Maybe tap into this 15-minute fair value gap in OTE. I'm gonna be trading with 5 micros. That's half of a single mini, which is what I traded yesterday. You could trade with the mini on 100K eval, but I like to have lower risk, so my stop loss will have to be very tight. I'd rather just trade micros. Yeah, I want to see us take out these lows and come back into equilibrium. Possibly OTE, tap into this 15-minute fair value gap and start to push up. That's all I'm seeing at the moment. If we open and we start running for these lows, I think we're going to push up because we created relative equal highs right here. Of course, we got the highs over here in the 4-hour fair value gap. I think that's where we're running towards. I'm sorry, the 1-hour fair value gap up here. This is also a 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, this is also a 1 hour fair value gap on NQ. So I think those are our draws on liquidity. I don't know how far into it we're gonna go, but based on the structure, how we're generating buy side, we did not sweep these highs. We created relative equal highs. Matter of fact, let's just verify that real quick. This high is 17,918. So yeah, it's literally identically. Nigga said identically. It's absolute equal highs. I don't know what the hell you would call it. If we are bearish, which I think like on a weekly time frame and shit like that, we are bearish, we're gonna come down here. Or maybe I should even say a 4 hour. We're gonna come down to these lows, but I think for now, for like this session, New York session, at least the first part of New York session, I think we're gonna manipulate down into these lows and then push up and at least take out this high. So I'm bullish right now. We are generating buy side right here. A low resistance liquidity run is setting up. I just want to see us take out these lows and possibly come down into the 15-minute and take out these lows too. We just opened up. We pushing down like crazy. We just tapped into the 15-minute. I want y'all to notice this right here. This isn't getting stopped out. It's not. I don't know. We about to see what's up. It might be that we just keep melting. I really don't see that to be the case though. We also shifted market structure back to the downside. I don't think this 15-minute fair value gap's even gonna hold. I think we're no longer bullish at all. Well, I think I'm no longer bullish. It's not looking like we want to go to the upside like I thought. So now there's another SMT. It's just too much on my screen right now, bro. Get all this shit out my face. So we got two SMTs, two higher time frame fair value gaps. We in OTE for both ranges. Yeah, I'm still bullish. We usually make the high or the low of the day during 9:30 or during the first part of New York Open, and then we run. I want to see us push up above this right here. All right, I'm gonna take a trade in this fair value gap right here. If we can remain above that. That's at equilibrium, so I'm hoping we can get tapped in here. If not, then cool. No risk for today. I don't think we're gonna take a trade today. Doesn't appear that we will. I don't see why we would come back down here now at this point. What's a 5-minute talking about over here? Might take something on ES instead. Like right in here. Might be a better RR. I don't really like this actually, because the 5-minute is still really respecting this shit over here. And we ain't make no fair value gap yet and nothing like that, so. I think I'm gonna just try some shit right here. Risking 182. I'm gonna go for this. No, I wasn't able to explain what I was thinking right there because it was going a little too fast, but ICT says put your stop three PD arrays below price. We got this fair value gap right here. I'm gonna mark out mean threshold. We respected that. We have this order block right here, this small down candle before the move up, and then we have this breaker block. So I put my stop at the low where these breaker blocks are, or where that breaker block is. I don't want to see us come down there. I'm risking a lot less than I did yesterday. We almost got stopped out. But I think we should go up to our target now. If we don't, then we're gonna consolidate, to be honest. I think I'm about to close just because we keep just fucking around. But y'all know how I am when it comes to closing shit out. Let me go on a 15-minute real quick, see if I can see something. Nah, I kinda like this still. This guy held the whole time. I don't think I'm ready to close at all. 30-minute. 1 hour still look good. 4 hour look good. 5-minute look good. I don't see a reason to close this. This look just like a brief period of consolidation. We should be fine. I ain't gonna lie to y'all though, my emotions is running a little bit. Especially when they came down here. I don't know if my face showed it, but all I could think about was, damn, if I lose again, I'm gonna have to post this shit. Know what I'm saying? I don't wanna fail a challenge in front of these niggas, all type of shit, but that's just how it goes, to be honest. I'm gonna show y'all the authentic journey, so if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. If I'm feeling nervous, I'm gonna let y'all know. Not every time. I'm not gonna say I'm nervous every trade, but it's definitely emotions running every trade. You feel me? It's not necessarily nervousness because I know even if I lose, all it's doing is making me a better trader. But I don't like posting losses. Let me just come over here, man. Wait, hold up. I thought I saw another SMT. I think that's another SMT right there. It's real small. See, we didn't take this low on NQ, but on ES we did take the low. So I like where my stop is as far as that. If we come down and stop me out, then the trade is invalid. But yeah, I do want to close this trade because of how we're moving right here. But I'm not going to just because I just don't see a valid reason to get out. It's all just emotions telling me to get out. It's not a valid reason. We held this 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, price is slowing down, but we should 100% take this buy side level. These are equal highs. We got this buy side level at the 1 hour. So I'm just gonna let this shit play out. Yes, sir. Alright, that's TP1 hit. I tried to get in down here at this fair value gap right there. Y'all can't even see that shit. But we never got an entry, so I had to improvise and shit. But shit, I think. Okay, why am I so awkward on Instagram, but I'm just a regular nigga on YouTube? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put it below these lows. You talking about that one right there? Let me see, what time is that? The 6:30 candle? I gotta redo that shit again. I just closed the last of my profits because, damn, I probably shouldn't have did that. But I just wanted to close the rest. What? Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. Never mind. Cause I saw my account balance, but it was really my account equity. Hold up, let me see. All right, so I made 299. So I'm still down $50 on the account, but that ain't too bad. That's really only cause I started risking less. If I was risking one NQ contract, one mini, then I would have made everything I got back and then more. Let me see. I would have made like 600, but it is what it is. And we still got a whole month before my goddamn car gets charged again, so I got a lot of time to pass this. I'm down about $50. That's not a lot of money. Oh, I was risking 182. Okay, cool. So making 300 off of 182, that's perfectly fine. I'm not mad at that at all. And it also looks like we're gonna get stopped at break even. So yeah, I think it was a good thing that I closed right there. Yeah, down $50 on the account instead of 350. I feel pretty good about that shit. I appreciate y'all watching. Yeah. We risking 5 micros from now on. 5 micros. We not doing no 1MQ. None of that shit, bro. None of that shit. So even though in my main account, my personal account, y'all know I like high risk to reward shit. And I like making more than I lost type shit. You feel me? Even though I lost more than I made, even though I lost more yesterday than I made today, that's because I'm risking half. I literally risked half of what I risked yesterday. And I'm gonna be risking the same amount going forward. So it's all gonna line back up. It's all good, man. So yeah. That's really all I got for today. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Y'all be safe.